Welcome friends, today we are cooking and smoking one of my favorite cuts of beef, tri-tip beef. This cut of beef is always easy to cook, tender, flavorful, and is great in cheese steak sandwiches or just by itself. Also in this video, we are traveling to beautiful Yosemite National Park to see the beautiful, breathtaking sights. And chowing down on our delicious tri-tip for dinner. First, we begin by making a delicious tri-tip marinade. For the marinade, you will need chopped garlic, black pepper, soy sauce, sugar, and honey. Place a few small holes in the tri-tip to absorb the marinade. In a small cup or bowl, combine the chopped garlic, black pepper, soy sauce, sugar, and honey. Rotate the tri-tip every 6 hours in the marinade. Marinate the tri-tip in the refrigerator for 24 hours. Okay, it's been 24 hours. Now we are ready to cook and smoke the tri-tip. I'm using a combination of apple and hickory wood to create the smoke. Begin by soaking the wood for 20 minutes so it doesn't burn. When the briquettes begin to turn ash white, they are ready. Now sear the meat on all sides to seal in the delicious juices. Place the tri-tip on the grill opposite the coals. And carefully place the wood chips on the hot coals. Wow, that looks beautiful. The meat is tender, juicy, and the smoke really comes through. And here you have a delicious smoked tri-tip Philly cheesesteak sandwich. And now we are ready for Yosemite National Park. Welcome friends to beautiful Yosemite National Park. My name is Mai. We hope you enjoy watching the video and get a chance to try the recipe. If you would like this delicious recipe, please visit our website. And please remember to subscribe.